Welcome back to the Dad Cave channel, my fellow DIYers, and today we're talking about the best Father's Day gifts for under $50. I've got a great gift idea for your dad, so make sure you smash that like button and stick around and check it out. So let's face it, Father's Day last year sucked because of the pandemic. So this year for Father's Day, let's make that up to dads all around the world and get them something they'll actually appreciate. I'm not talking about shirts, I'm not talking about ties, socks, underwear, any of those things. You can buy all that stuff for dad throughout the year, and trust me, he would appreciate it. What I am talking about is sitting right behind me, right here. So this behind me is the Mixology Craft Whiskey Set. I know what you're thinking, you want to know what's inside, right? Well, come on, I'll show you. So this whiskey set comes with its own aged and rustic box, and honestly, it looks really cool. So immediately upon opening the box, you're going to notice this collection of recipe cards. Cool thing about this, also gives your dad a little bit of tips in case he's never had whiskey before, gives him some pointers on how to get started, and also has some really cool recipes in here that honestly, I was looking at them and I'm thinking to myself, you know what? I might have to try a couple of these. Next up, we got some tweezers. Obviously the tweezers are to handle the steel balls when you go to drop it into your glass, or ice cubes if you choose to use ice in your whiskey as well. These are the steel balls that come with the set. They're really cool. You take them, put them into your freezer for a couple hours. They get nice and cold, drop it into your drink. And the wonderful thing about this is it chills and cools your whiskey without diluting the flavor. So you still get the full flavor profile of your whiskey. Now, one of the other cool things about this set are the coasters. It comes with 2 gray slate coasters with obscure quotes on here from people I've never heard of, but this guy's name is Jared too. Sounds like a pretty cool dude. And if there wasn't enough to like about this set already, I'm really digging the glassware and the decanter. It's got that twisted profile to it. They're heavy, they're solid. I can't wait to pour myself a glass. All right, so now if you've watched the video this far, you're thinking 3 things right now. You're thinking, my dad would love this, where can I buy it? Second, you're thinking, my dad would love this and so would I'm buying too. And then I know the third thing you're thinking is, my dad doesn't drink whiskey. Even if your dad doesn't drink whiskey, this is still something that he can appreciate. I guarantee you he will look at one of the recipe cards in this set and give it a shot and say, you know what, I think I'm gonna try that. But if whiskey's not his thing, it works great for other cocktails too. Vodka, tequila, you name it, it'll work. Now, unfortunately, at the time of filming this, for whatever reason, the particular gift set that I showed you here in the video is no longer available on Amazon, but I am gonna link to one that's similar. The only difference is that it doesn't have the decanter, but that's okay. It still makes a great gift for dad. So as always, thanks again for watching. I do appreciate it. And if this video helped you figure out what to get your dad for Father's Day, then do me a favor, leave a comment down below, let me know. And by the way, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to get dad a little something extra this year for Father's Day, I got t-shirts. Make sure you head on over to my merch store, check them out. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Oh, that's good. That's really good.